Ben, I feel like my course sales copy is just flat. It doesn't connect with potential students on a deeper level.
You're right, Chloe. My copy feels more like a laundry list of features than a story that inspires them.
Hold on a sec. I just got this email from the Hatarakigai Challenge, from crickets to cheers. And their final tip is about the power of storytelling.
Storytelling? That's interesting.
Exactly. This email says we can leverage storytelling to connect with our ideal students, nurture their desire for transformation, and ultimately convert them into enthusiastic course participants.
Nurturing transformation? Now that's a powerful message.
I agree. This could be the missing piece for our sales copy. Let's see what storytelling secrets they have to share.